take a look at this.
Cool. This is gonna be fun.
What's your favorite holiday movie?
Christmas Story. Absolutely.
It's a Wonderful Life, of course. Home Alone.
Die Hard.
Is Die Hard a Christmas movie? Absolutely not.
Yeah. Definitely.
C'est bon, ça. Ben oui, absolument, 100%. C'est même pas un débat.
It absolutely is. It's the best Christmas movie ever.
If you think it is, we can't be friends.
I don't think I've ever even seen Die Hard.
Favorite holiday song? Maybe like Up on the Housetop, Reindeer Paws, Out Jumps Good Old Santa Claus.
Yeah, I mean, prepare for this.
It's Silent Night. I can't sing it. Silent Night.
Holy night, all is calm.
Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad.
I don't want a lot for Christmas.
You get the point. Have you ever returned a holiday gift, and what was it? I returned some clothing.
Sweaters, and you can only have so many sweaters, and they're also chosen by my grandma.
Pretty much any sweater or shirt my mother has ever bought me.
I'm sorry. Don't buy me clothes.
I don't think I ever have returned a holiday gift. And if I have, it was probably from my wife, so I couldn't tell you anyway because it didn't happen.
Leftovers, yay or nay?
It's yay.
Yay.
Over and over and over again.
Are you kidding me? Give me all the leftovers you've got.
Leftover turkey sandwich, yay. Everything else, nay.
Nah, not for me.
If you take like a holiday ham and you make like some sliders the next day, it's money.
What's your favorite thing to do in the wintertime? Ski and snowboard.
I love to go on the slopes. I do a lot of tubing.
I live in the city, so I like to walk around the city, see the lights that are put up, the decorations, you know, have a hot chocolate.
Float in my pool, take pictures, and send them home to all my friends and family who are freezing to death.
And the question is, what's one word that describes the holidays for you?
Happy.
Crazy.
Magical.
Facile, famille.
Family.
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 Family time. Maybe some skiing.
I'm going to say rejuvenation, because I truly believe we do important work here at Helter Sciences as we help our clients and we repay their trust. And the holiday season is a time for all of us to contemplate our successes, take a deep breath, enjoy time with our loved ones, returning refreshed and rejuvenated for the new year. So a very happy holidays to all of you.